Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. Planning a trip to the islands in 2026? Checking in with Hawaiian Airlines looks a little different this year. With the massive $600 million Kahuʻewai Hawai'i Investment Plan and the full integration with Alaska Airlines, the process is now faster, more digital, and more streamlined. In this video, we break down the 10 essential steps for a stress-free check-in, from the new bag tag stations to the April 2026 Passenger Service System, PSS, cutover. Whether you're a first-timer or a frequent flyer, these updates will help you breeze through Honolulu, HNL, Kahuʻewai, OGG, and beyond. In this video, you'll learn how to use the new 2026 mobile app feature, the truth about the new self-service bag tag stations, new check-in cutoff times you need to follow, what the One World Alliance membership means for your boarding pass. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Hawaii travel tips. Hey travelers! If you're heading to Hawaii in 2026, you might notice that your airport experience is getting a major upgrade. Hawaiian Airlines is currently rolling out its $600 million investment plan, changing everything from how you tag your bags to how you use their app. Today, I'm giving you the definitive 10-point guide to the 2026 check-in process. Let's dive in. Point 1. The 24-hour digital window. First up, the 24-hour rule is more important than ever. In 2026, Hawaiian Airlines has shifted to a digital-first model. You can check in exactly 24 hours before departure via the revamped mobile app or website. This is where you'll confirm your seat and, crucially, pay for any checked bags at a discounted rate compared to paying at the airport. Point 2. The new 2026 mobile app. Point 2 is the brand new app. Launched in spring 2026, this app is your all-in-one travel companion. It now features real-time bag tracking from the plane to the carousel and interactive indoor maps for HNL, OGG, and LAX. Make sure you have the latest version, as the old legacy app was retired during the April system merger. Point 3. Standardized cutoff times. One major change for 2026 is the alignment of check-in times. Following the merger with Alaska Airlines, Hawaiian has moved towards stricter cutoffs. For domestic flights to North America, you must be checked in at least 45 to 50 minutes before departure. Don't rely on the old island time. If you're late, the system may automatically lock you out. Point 4. Self-service bag tag stations. When you arrive at the airport, you'll see the new bag tag stations. These replace the old full-service kiosks. These stations are only for printing your luggage tags. You must have already checked in on your phone to use them. You simply scan your digital boarding pass, the machine spits out your tags, and you're ready to head to the drop-off point. Point 5. The Passenger Service System, PSS, integration. April 2026 marked the full cutover where Hawaiian and Alaska Airlines integrated their behind-the-scenes system. If you booked your flight through Alaska's website but are flying on Hawaiian-operated flights, your check-in will now be handled through a unified multi-brand platform. Keep an eye on your confirmation code. It's now a standardized format across both airlines. Point 6. One World Alliance benefit. As of spring 2026, Hawaiian is officially a member of the One World Alliance. During check-in, this means you can now add your American Airlines, British Airways, or Alaska mileage plan numbers directly to your Hawaiian boarding pass. If you have One World Emerald or Sapphire status, your priority check-in and extra bag perks will now be automatically recognized at the kiosk. Point 7. Real ID requirements. A quick reminder for Point 7, the Real ID requirement is fully in effect. When you check in, the app will prompt you to verify that you have a Real ID compliant license or a passport. If you're traveling internationally, the 2026 app allows you to scan your passport's chip via NFC to skip the document check at the counter. Point 8. Neighbor Island Huaka'i perks. If you are a Hawaii resident, don't forget the Huaka'i by Hawaiian program. During the 2026 check-in process, residents get specific benefits like free checked bags on inter-island hops and 50% bonus points. Make sure your local address is verified in your profile before you hit that check-in button to see these discounts applied. Point 9. The Mauka Concourse Premium Lounge. For those flying first class or with high-tier status, check-in looks a bit more luxurious in Honolulu. The new 10,600 square foot premium lounge at the Mauka Concourse, Terminal 1, is now open. There is a dedicated premium check-in area right near the lounge entrance for a high-touch, concierge experience that bypasses the main lobby entirely. Point 10. The paperless initiative. Finally, Hawaiian Airlines is going green. In 2026, they have officially discontinued printing paper boarding passes at most self-service stations to reduce waste. You are encouraged to use the app or add your pass to your Apple or Google Wallet. If you absolutely need a paper pass, you'll have to visit a guest service agent, which might mean a longer wait. By doing most of the work on your phone before you even leave for the airport, you can spend less time in lines and more time enjoying the aloha spirit. If this guide helped you, hit that like button and tell me in the comments, and thank you for watching.